If you need to send money from the United States to Dubai, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to do it step by step. No fluff, no complicated jargon. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you need, how the process works, and how to make sure you're not losing money on fees and bad exchange rates. Step 1. Know what you need before you start. Before you send a single dollar, you're going to need a few things ready. First, you need your recipient's full name, exactly as it appears on their bank account. Second, you need their bank details, specifically their IBAN. In the UAE, IBANs are 23 characters long, and they always start with the letters AE. If your recipient banks with Emirates NBD, Mashreq, ADCB, or any other UAE bank, they can find their IBAN in their banking app or on their bank statement. Ask them to send it to you before you start the transfer. If you get the IBAN wrong, the transfer will either fail or get delayed, so double check it. You'll also need a valid form of ID on your end and a way to pay, a bank account, debit card, or credit card linked to your name. Step 2. Understand how costs actually work. This is where most people lose money without realizing it. When you send money internationally, there are 2 costs you need to pay attention to. The first is the transfer fee. That's the flat or percentage-based charge the platform takes for sending your money. The second, and this is the one that gets people, is the exchange rate. The real exchange rate between the US dollar and the UAE dirham is called the mid-market rate. It's the rate you see when you Google USD to AED. Some platforms give you that real rate and charge a small transparent fee on top. Others advertise low fees or even 0 fees, but then mark up the exchange rate, which means your recipient gets less money and you don't even realize you're paying for it. So when you're comparing options, don't just look at the fee. Look at how much your recipient will actually receive on the other end. Step 3. Know about the new 2026 remittance tax. This is a big one for 2026. A new 1% federal excise tax on certain international money transfers went into effect on January 1st, 2026, as part of the One Big Beautiful Bill Act. But don't panic. This tax only applies when you pay with cash, money orders, or cashier's checks. If you pay using a debit card, credit card, bank account, or digital wallet, the tax doesn't apply to you. So as long as you're sending digitally, and that's what we're going to do in this video, you're completely fine. This is just one more reason to stop paying with cash at agent locations and start doing everything through an app or website. Step 4. Choose your transfer method. You've got a few options here, and which one works best depends on your situation. If you're sending through your bank, you can set up an international wire transfer. It's secure, but it's usually the most expensive option. Banks charge a flat wire fee, often $25 to $50, and they mark up the exchange rate on top of that. Delivery typically takes 3 to 5 business days. If you want something faster and cheaper, online transfer platforms are the way to go. Services like Wise, Remitly, OFX, and Western Union all let you send money to the UAE from your phone or computer. Each one works a little differently. Some give you the real mid-market rate with a small fee. Others offer promotional rates for first-time users, but charge a marked-up rate on future transfers. Some are better for small amounts. Others are built for large transfers. The key is to always check the total cost before you confirm, the fee plus the exchange rate combined. Most platforms have a calculator on their website or in their app where you type in how much you want to send, and it shows you exactly what your recipient will get. Use that calculator every single time. Step 5. Send your money. Here's what the actual process looks like on most platforms, and it's pretty much the same across the board. You create an account and verify your identity. This usually takes a few minutes, and they'll ask for a photo of your ID. Then you enter how much you want to send in US dollars. The platform shows you the exchange rate, the fee, and how much your recipient will receive in AED. You enter your recipient's name and their IBAN. You choose how you want to pay: bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Bank transfer is almost always the cheapest. Debit card costs a bit more, but it's faster. Credit card is usually the most expensive because some providers add processing fees, and your credit card company might treat it as a cash advance, which comes with its own charges. Then you confirm and send. That's it. On the fastest platforms, 74% of transfers arrive in under 20 seconds, and 95% land within a day. Even the slower options usually get the money there within 1 to 2 business days. Step 6. Track your transfer. Once you've sent the money, every major platform gives you a way to track it. You'll get a confirmation with a reference number or tracking ID. You can check the status in the app or on the website, and most platforms will also notify you when the money has been delivered. Let your recipient know to check their bank account and keep your confirmation details saved in case you ever need them for your records. And that's really all there is to it. Sending money from the USA to Dubai is not complicated once you know the steps. Get your recipient's IBAN, pick a platform, check the total cost including the exchange rate, pay digitally to avoid the new remittance tax, and hit send. The whole thing takes about 5 minutes once your account is set up. One last tip. If you send money regularly, set up your recipient as a saved contact in whatever platform you use. That way, future transfers take even less time. Some platforms also let you set up recurring transfers or rate alerts so you can send when the exchange rate is in your favor. That's everything. Check the links in the description for the platforms we mentioned. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.